So I found this old chair in the, well, you know where I found it. It's got great character, it's got great wood. They don't make stuff like this anymore. It's got these spindles here, it's got a nice carving here. But if I was going to refinish this, it would take a lot of work, which I don't mind doing. I would have to replace one of these at the top. One of these dowels are broken. The seating material is shot. But I thought I would make something different out of it, something creative and something useful. Here's what I came up with. So the reason that I left part of the legs on is so that when I put my plant inside, it's not just resting here against the wood, because that'll probably cause cracking. What I want to do is put a board underneath. So you have several options. I could put a board across here. I could put a board across here if I wanted to sit lower. But what I decided to do was just place a board on the bottom, like so, so that my planter would then sit up a little bit higher. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's mount that now. So I'm also using a piece of treated lumber which will stand up to the weather. So after applying 2 coats of a good quality stain and sealer, we're ready to put mounting holes. I'm going to put 2 holes up here so we can mount our plant stand. So this is one of the simplest projects I ever made on Alley Picked. It actually turned out quite nice. At first I was a little skeptical about putting a chair on my porch. I thought it would look cheesy, but I kind of like it actually. Oh yeah, one more thing. The part that I cut off the bottom, check this out. So I cut this plywood. I'm going to put it up here and I'm going to make it a project for my grandson to build. A little bench. I think he's going to enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching Alley Picked. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Alley Picked. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.